Go to Adjustment layer, choose Hue and Saturation. Set saturation 100%. Change the blending mode color burn. Reduce the fill 8%. Again go to Adjustment layer. Choose the Hue and Saturation. Set the saturation 100%. Change the blending mode color dodge. Reduce the fill 10%. And now, after and before. Go to Adjustment layer, choose Solid Color. And choose this color. And change the blending mode Hard Mix. Reduce the fill 20%. And remove the dark color this image. Double click here. Follow this setting. Hold and click here. Follow this setting. Here is the before and after. Go to Adjustment layer, choose Black and White. Now go to Adjustment layer. Choose the Gradient map. Click the Gradient bar. Now choose the left color black. And right choose the color white. Add this way to dramatic black and white effects.